Our Hiligaynon word for the day is bahaw. 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 That means cold rice, cold food, or to become cold of food, or to be cold or indifferent as regards religion, etc. Bahaw. Bahaw. May bahaw ka mo? May bahaw ka mo? Have you any cold rice? May bahaw ka mo? Ang kanon nagbahaw na. Ang kanon nagbahaw na. The rice has got cold. Ang kanon nagbahaw na. When we say pamahaw, that means to breakfast or eat cold food from the fact that the rice taken at breakfast has usually been cooked the day before. That can either be kapog, tahaw, or bugnaw, pamahaw. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, bahaw. Bahaw. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.